Okay friends, are you ready to catch rallies before they happen? We will work on our one single strategy again and show you how I got this E and S rally. We will do a full top-down analysis from weekly to minute-based charts. If you're ready, let's do this. Let's learn how to catch this rally of E and S. Just look at it. It's simply crazy. We were able to get this rally before they happen. Okay, fellow friends, no more empty talk. Let's get back to business. As usual, we start again with the weekly chart. As you can see, the weekly time frame suggests us we are in a mega rally. A gigantic price switch happened back in the May. But as a day trader, I'm mostly concerned about the most recent price action. And my main target was this previous week's high. This high gave me the bias, a possible point that price may want to move towards. In the daily chart, I will be honest with you. There was no bias in the daily chart. When I look at this, I only see choppy price action. It's like I'm staring at Nasdaq charts. So I had to rely on the weekly bias for this coin. The previous week high was the main target for me. Yes, bias is important, but without momentum and power, there is no meaning of bias. Do you know why we trade the top gainers? Because they already have the absolute power and buyer interests. Top gainer coins are the only ones that can carry us to our bias point. Now look at this. 30-minute, 1 hour and 2 hour imbalance taps. Price superchargers here. Super power for the necessary movement to carry us or hunt us for the previous week high. Remember this, without power and momentum, a bias has no meaning at all. Around the 30-minute chart, you can clearly see this. The falling knife is stopped. Sellers cannot push the price anymore. Something is wrong here. Buyers gaining power. The accumulation started. In 1 and 2 hours, you can notice large rejection wicks and hammer-like candlesticks. And with the 4-hour time frame, we already have the momentum imbalance with us. It is like all the planets align and scream at us to get ready. Ready for what? Rally, rally. The rally is coming. It's so obvious. How do I know this? Because I have seen this happen 10,000 times before. Now, let's observe this area and talk about the lower time frames and possible entry models. Okay, in the 15-minute chart, I also noticed a nice equal highs area at top. So, this gives me vibes of higher liquidity waiting for us at above. If you look here, you'll also notice that seller imbalances keep failing to push the price down. A great sign for the buyers. This is a nice rally entry here. 10% move. It is simply crazy. What if you have entered early here? As you know, price may seek further liquidity, more fuel to move. We never know what will happen for 100% for sure. This is why I teach you the yo-yo method in the masterclass. You must teach yourself to average down if it is necessary sometimes, because this is always a possibility. Yo-yo is not a complex order method. With a little bit of practice, you will learn it in no time. Okay, time to recap. In the weekly time frame, we have noticed the previous week high as a possible bias point. The gigantic weekly imbalance was pushing the price up. The daily chart was very choppy and did not give us good clues about the bias. In our momentum layout, we have noticed the 3 time frame imbalance supercharge. Plus, we also noticed the inner equal highs, which made the bias stronger for us. Finally, we have looked for the micro low time frame price switch to enter. A classic momentum scalping, a strategy that happens almost every single day. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you next time, and please take care of yourself, friends.